Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal just finished a job for a wonderful client here on the east end of London. Great team to work with. We're able to take their old roof, make it brand new. Well, come on, I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. So we finished the roof. This was an old roof, had tons of repairs. It's finally time to just put a brand new roof on. We put a new 2-ply modified bitumen roof. We have interesting wall details. Here we have almost like a stucco concrete finish. And here we had a concrete block finish. So there we go, we did our base, we did our flashings up the wall. We added a turn bar and secured it, just so over time the membrane doesn't come off the wall, and then we put a sealant on top. We gave the client a new fascia board here. He had rotted wood, so we didn't replace the wood, but we covered it with new aluminum, just to give it a bit more longevity of life. I'll show you what the rest looks like. So you saw the last part, there was an elevation change with that aluminum. So we went up high, this roof slopes downward, so we have a drain there. We also had a large exhaust vent. You can see the unused curb. We removed that. It was just a redundant curb. So anytime you have a redundant flashing in your roof, that's just more areas for the roof to leak. So we were able to remove that for him. We did a repair way up there, but that's a different story. So Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Melt, it's a wonderful job, great client. Thanks a lot to the landscape company that allowed us to do the work. If you are in Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.